In this installment of Cooking with my PJs, I'm making an oatmeal bake, and instead of strawberries, I'm adding blueberries. And so we'll see how it turns out. It'll go in the oven for 35 minutes at 350. And I slept in today, so I think wow, it's after 9. Oh my goodness. Oh, and gonna make myself some coffee and pray for Michelle, who's still packing. All right, so just cooking in my PJs, and we're gonna have an oatmeal bake, and I'll tag you, or I'll add the recipe video to this. All right, take care. God bless you all.